everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier source for elevating outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A low-maintenance rock garden is a specialized style of landscaping that focuses on the artistic arrangement of rocks, stones, and pebbles as the primary visual elements, supplemented by hardy, slow-growing plants. Unlike traditional gardens that rely heavily on lush lawns and high-maintenance flower beds, a rock garden mimics natural rocky outcrops or alpine environments. The low-maintenance aspect comes from the strategic use of inorganic mulch, like gravel or river rocks, which prevents weed growth and retains soil moisture, significantly reducing the need for constant weeding, mowing, and heavy irrigation. It is essentially a set-it-and-forget-it approach to beauty, where the permanence of stone provides structure and interest in every season. The benefits of having a low-maintenance rock garden extend far beyond just saving time on the weekends. Firstly, these gardens are incredibly water efficient, making them an ideal choice for areas prone to drought or for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Because you are using rocks to cover the soil, evaporation is minimized, and the selected plants are typically drought-tolerant species that require very little supplemental watering. Furthermore, rock gardens are exceptionally durable. They aren't easily damaged by pets, foot traffic, or harsh weather conditions like heavy frost or scorching heat. They also add significant curb appeal and property value by offering a unique, professionally landscaped look that remains tidy and organized throughout the entire year without the seasonal dead look of a traditional lawn. Decorating a low-maintenance rock garden to look beautiful is all about balancing textures, colors, and scales to create a natural yet curated aesthetic. Start by choosing a hero stone, a large, uniquely shaped boulder that acts as a focal point, and nestle it into the ground so it looks like it has been there for centuries. To add visual depth, use a variety of stone sizes, ranging from large rocks to medium cobbles and fine gravel pathways. Incorporate decorative elements like weather-resistant lanterns, driftwood, or even a small stone basin to introduce a sense of tranquility. Color coordination is also key. For a modern look, stick to monochromatic slate grays and whites, or for a Mediterranean feel, opt for warm tans and terracotta tones. By layering your stones and mixing them with varied plant heights, you create a 3D dimension that guides the eye through the landscape. When selecting the best plants for a low-maintenance rock garden, you want to look for tough-as-nails varieties that thrive in well-draining soil and can handle a bit of neglect. Succulents and cacti are the gold standard for rock gardens, offering architectural shapes and vibrant colors with almost no water requirements. Creeping ground covers such as sedum or thyme are perfect for softening the edges of stones and filling in the gaps between pavers with a living carpet effect. For height and movement, consider ornamental grasses like blue fescue or fountain grass, which add a soft texture that contrasts beautifully against the hard surfaces of the rocks. Additionally, perennial herbs like lavender and rosemary provide not only beautiful blooms and silvery foliage, but also a delightful fragrance every time you walk by. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best low-maintenance rock garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Serene Zen Stone Path. This design features a winding flagstone walkway surrounded by a meticulously arranged dry creek bed. Large gray boulders are placed strategically along the edges to provide a sense of permanence, while soft purple ground covers and ornamental grasses break up the hard lines. It's an ideal way to turn a functional path into a meditative journey through your front yard. 2, the Flowering Alpine Slope. Utilizing a natural incline, this idea features large, flat limestone pieces that act as steps and retaining walls. In between the stones, vibrant pink and green creeping phlox spill over the edges, creating a waterfall of color. This setup is perfect for transforming a difficult-to-mow hill into a stunning, self-sustaining floral display. 3. The modern desert minimalist. This clean and sophisticated look focuses on a high-contrast palette of white gravel and dark architectural plants. Agave and yucca plants are spaced out to allow their unique shapes to shine, while large, smooth river rocks are used as accents. This design is perfect for contemporary homes where less is more, and clean lines are a priority. 4. The Japanese-inspired rock sanctuary. Drawing from traditional Zen aesthetics, this garden uses dark charcoal pebbles to represent water and weathered stone lanterns as focal points. Splashes of red from Japanese maples provide a stunning contrast against the mossy green ground covers. It's a peaceful, low-profile design that brings a sense of ancient wisdom to a modern backyard. 5. The sustainable drought-tolerant driveway. This practical design uses gravel and large decorative stones to border a driveway, replacing thirsty grass. Hardened ornamental grasses and low-growing shrubs provide a lush feel without the need for an irrigation system. It's a rugged yet beautiful way to increase curb appeal, while keeping maintenance to a bare minimum. 6. The River of Stone Creek Bed. A dry creek bed is created using varying sizes of smooth river rocks to mimic the flow of a natural stream. This design is not only visually stunning but also functional, as it helps with drainage during heavy rains. Accenting the banks with blue-toned succulents and rugged boulders makes it look like a piece of nature dropped right into your garden. 7. The layered mulch and maple bed. This idea uses dark black mulch to make the bright red foliage of a Japanese maple pop. The bed is outlined with a decorative border of tan river stones, which prevents the mulch from washing away. Small white flowering clusters add a touch of brightness, creating a professional-looking garden bed that requires almost no weeding. 8. The textured tundra garden. This design focuses on the interplay between light-colored gravel and dark slate. By mixing different sizes of crushed stone, you create a rich texture that feels natural. Low-profile evergreens and hardy shrubs are tucked into the corners, ensuring the garden stays green even in the dead of winter. 9. The stepping stone oasis. Wide rectangular pavers are set into a bed of fine gray gravel, creating a modern and accessible walkway. Large, weathered boulders are placed at the edges to anchor the design, while ferns and leafy plants provide a tropical feel in a dry, low-maintenance setting. It's the perfect balance between a structured patio and a wild rockery. 10. The vibrant succulent terrace. Small clusters of colorful succulents are planted directly into the gaps of a rock wall or a sloped stone bed. The variety of shapes, from rose-like echeveria to trailing string of pearls, creates a living jewelry box effect. This is the ultimate low-water solution for adding high-impact color to small spaces. Creating a low-maintenance rock garden is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. It allows you to step away from the endless cycle of mowing and watering, giving you more time to actually enjoy your outdoor space rather than working in it. Whether you prefer the clean lines of a modern desert look or the lush, colorful feel of an alpine slope, there is a rock garden design that fits your style and your climate. Remember, the beauty of stone is timeless, and with the right plant choices, your garden will only look better as the years go by. If you're ready to trade your lawnmower for a bag of river rocks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. We have plenty more tips on how to create the garden of your dreams with half the effort. Comment below and let us know which of these 10 ideas was your favorite, or share your own rock garden tips with our community. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new design guide. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!